The Amar Jawan Jyoti, which was merged with the flame at the National War Memorial in January, was originally established in which year? Which Indian female boxer won the gold medal in the 2022 Women's IBF World Boxing Championships in the flyweight 52 kg category? What was the name of the venue in Kolkata where famous Bollywood singer KK performed shortly before his sudden demise? The first private train under Indian Railways Bharat Gaurav scheme, which was flagged off on June 14, began operations between which cities? The Agnipath scheme was launched this year. Under this scheme, the recruits will be enrolled in the Indian Armed Forces for how many years? Draupadi Murmu was sworn in as the 15th President of India on July 25th. She earlier served as a governor for which state? The Supertech Twin Towers in Noida were raised on August 28. What was the official's name who pressed the button to demolish the towers? What is the name of the 17-year-old Indian chess grandmaster who defeated world champion Magnus Carlsen 3 times at the FTX Crypto Cup 2022? The 8 cheetahs brought to India from Namibia were released in which national park? Cyrus Mistry, who died in a car accident this year, was the former chairperson of which Indian multinational conglomerate? India formally took over the G20 presidency for 2023 from which of the following countries? India's first privately developed rocket, Vikram S, launched by ISRO on November 18, has been built by which company?